In this video I'm going to make a nice rustic table from fallen logs using mainly my chainsaw. Now 18 months back I made a table very similar to the one I'm going to be making today, except today's is going to have a little bit more meaning to it. It's going to be a gift for my daughter. She just loved my other table and I've decided to make one for her barbecue area in her backyard. Now, need a bit of a glossier top on the top so she can wipe it, keep it clean, and we don't want splinters hanging off it for kids, but still have the rustic feel. So, nice and chunky. We'll see how it all plays out. So, hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Ah, looking good. Quite happy with that. 4 legs. That'll do me. I'm going to go with that. It's pretty good. These logs were cut freehand with a chainsaw, and they're the ones I'll be working with today. And these are the same logs after routing and a quick sand. These will be the cross pieces. It'll purely be a down here, down there, and then we'll trim it in so it's there's only 4 inches left here, which will drop neatly into that gap. Beautiful. Alright. So there's that joint. There we go. Because we want, say, about that level to be level with the top of this, because that'll make the tabletop about the right height. So we've still got to go down this far, and we'll do that by cutting this on a 45 across like that, and this down, and that gap there will be that gap there that we've got to drop, and therefore we should get this nice 45 looking thing with the log sticking out here. That'll do is flatten. Right, I've done my cutout on all the boards. Yeah, and down the other end. Right, so ended up a little bit under 2 inches, but that's fine. They're all the same. So what we've got now is at that point they're all the same width. So when I flip them over and sit them on this bit of wood, which will drop into this gap, the top of all the boards should be level, and that'll let me work on fixing up gaps, whatever. Now a safety message. Chainsaws are dangerous. Get the proper training, learn to use your chainsaw safely. I'm not a good role model for this. here we are at the end of the project. I just love working with this big stuff. There's something about it. If you enjoyed the video, please click like. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. There's more to come. Thank you.
Can you measure it?
Yeah. If you'd like to see a much longer, more detailed version of me making this table, there's a link at the end of the video and in the description below.